One of the biggest mistakes I see new creators make is choosing a niche based on what they think will go viral, instead of what they can realistically build for the next few years. They spend days scrolling through successful channels, copy someone's niche, upload a few videos, and then quit because they lose interest. If you want a YouTube channel that actually grows and eventually makes money, you need to choose your niche differently. A niche is simply the specific topic your channel is known for. When someone visits your channel, they should immediately understand what kind of content you create. If your videos are about cooking today, gaming tomorrow, travel next week, and relationship advice after that, people won't know why they should subscribe. YouTube won't know who to recommend your videos to either. That's why having a clear niche is so important. Now, choosing a niche doesn't mean you have to lock yourself into one tiny topic forever. It simply means giving your channel a clear identity. Think of it as choosing the lane you want to become known for. Once you've built an audience, you can always expand into related topics, but in the beginning, clarity beats variety every single time. The easiest way to choose a profitable niche is to ask yourself 3 simple questions. The first is, can I make at least 50 to 100 videos about this topic without running out of ideas? If the answer is no, then the niche is probably too small. Successful YouTube channels aren't built on 5 great videos. They're built on consistency over months and years. If you can't imagine talking about the topic for a long time, it's probably not the right choice. Second question is whether people are already searching for this type of content. A niche doesn't have to be brand new to be successful. In fact, it's usually better if other creators are already getting views, because that proves there's an audience. Don't worry about competition. Competition means demand. Your goal isn't to be the only creator talking about a topic. Your goal is to bring your own personality, perspective, and value to that topic. The third question is whether the niche can eventually make money. Monetization doesn't only come from YouTube ads. Think about whether people in that niche buy products, courses, software, coaching, memberships, or other services. A niche where people spend money usually gives you more opportunities to earn income in the future. One mistake I want you to avoid is choosing a niche simply because someone else is making a lot of money from it. Just because a creator is successful doesn't mean you'll enjoy creating that type of content. If you hate making the videos, you'll eventually stop uploading, and consistency is what grows channels. Choose something you genuinely enjoy learning about because you'll be spending a lot of time creating content around it. Another mistake is trying to target everyone. If your content is for everyone, it's actually for no one. Be specific about who you're trying to help. Instead of saying your audience is people who like fitness, think about whether you're helping busy moms lose weight, beginners who have never exercised before, or people trying to build muscle on a budget. The more specific you are, the easier it becomes to create videos that speak directly to the right people. I also want you to stop worrying about finding the perfect niche. There isn't one. Most successful creators adjust and refine their niche as they grow. The important thing is to start with a clear direction, instead of waiting for the perfect idea. Your first niche doesn't have to be the niche you keep forever. Your first goal is to learn, improve, and understand your audience. If you're struggling to choose between 2 or 3 niche ideas, don't stay stuck. Pick the one you're most excited to create content about and commit to it for at least 30 videos. 30 videos will teach you far more than 30 days of overthinking. You'll discover what your audience enjoys, what gets views, and what you enjoy creating. You can always adjust after you've collected real data. At the end of the day, a profitable YouTube niche is one where you can consistently create valuable content, where people are actively looking for solutions, and where there's an opportunity to build a business around your audience. You don't need a perfect niche. You need a clear niche, a commitment to stay consistent, and the willingness to improve with every upload. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to find unlimited YouTube video ideas so you never run out of content to post. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, subscribe now because we're building your channel step by step.